I'm in Dubai International Airport right now. It is 4 a.m. I got a 9-hour flight back to Cape Town. I've just come from France. Had a quick snowboard trip with some of the GoPro family. I think as soon as I land, I'm going straight to a music festival. A friend of mine's performing there, so I'm gonna go shoot a video for him. And then we've got a bunch of shoots straight after that. So these next 72 hours are gonna be ridiculous. Have no idea how we're gonna do it, but are we going straight to the festival, or do we have time to go home first?
Festival. We have to go right now.
Just going straight to the festival?
Right now.
With everything?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Just send it in your snow kit, bro.
Sweet, let's do it. You're driving. Yes.
Dude, we're on in 5 minutes and shit's about to get pretty real.
Nice. So let's do it.
Yeah. And then we cut to like the biggest fucking crowd.
Money poppin' motherfucker sucker face, swallow lippin' uppercase, amazing, falling going crazy, future man, bring back pictures in my brain, making cool rap videos, hands down, guns up, tell them what the fuck's up, punch ups in slow-mo, I'm up for the phobics and drown clowns emotions, kick a fucking door down, exploding compulsions, naked in an ocean of cold.
Okay, so we're heading back from the festival now. It was a ridiculous time last night, so much fun with Mike. If you want to actually see the full video that we made from the festival, I'll link it in the description below. Wayne sent it a little too hard last night, so unfortunately he can't join us, but we're heading up the west coast now. I got a few friends out from California. We're gonna head out to the lake, basically just show them a fun time. And then we'll just cut to like a nice little compilation up at the lake, put some good, fun, high-speed music on it.
All I do is hustle, I got money in my belly. All I do is hustle, I got money in my All I do is hustle, I got money in my
That thing that just happened was Oi, buddy, what are you doing there?
It's another late night of editing. It's dude, it's 3 a.m. It's like the 4th night in a row working on this video. Wait, why are you filming this?
Because I think it's important everyone knows how much work goes into creating this beautiful content.
Yeah, but that's like not part of this whole living the dream, escaping the 9-to-5 thing. We like sell everybody, you know, we can only show the fun parts. Go back.
Feels right.
So what do you think of it?
That was sick. It could use one more scene to end off the video.
Okay, I can do that. I think that's pretty sweet for this week's video.
Yeah, dude, it was pretty solid considering what we've done in the last 72 hours.
I actually can't even comprehend what we've been through. From the festival to the river to a little skate mission. It's been a pretty crazy 72 hours, I'd say. But yeah, big ups to Orgain. They sponsored this week's video. They've been keeping us fueled over these last 72 hours, helped make this video possible. It's pretty cool. They're a plant-based health and protein company. And this year I'm just trying to get back on that health train and yeah, if you want to check out more of them, all their links in the description below. They're a pretty rad company.
Chris,
Yep, what's up?
You gotta get to the airport like now.
Oh, flip, okay, let's go.